Part 2 of our nighttime harvest. I made a free garden-to-table cookbook. Download it from our Grow Guide app. Links in the YouTube description. Harvest bull blood beets when roots are 1 to 3 inches wide. You can pick greens early for salads.
Tap the dirt off on the side of the wooded part.
Only 37 calories per cup and loaded with folate. Try roasted with olive oil, pickled, or juice them for natural energy.
I didn't even plant these. These are from last year.
When harvesting potatoes, wait until the foliage dies back, then dig from the sides.
Come by this root. You got some?
110 calories per medium potato packed with potassium and vitamin C. Keep the skin on for extra fiber.
Oh, look. I found another one.
Baked, roasted, or mashed.
Cover them up with the straw. I like to be in the dark.
Pick Gypsy Peppers green for crunch or ripen for more sweetness. Keep picking for more peppers. Only 30 calories per cup and more vitamin C than oranges. Great raw with dips, roasted, or stuffed.
The recipe in jalapeno looks ready, I think.
Pick your jalapeños green for heat or red for sweetness. Regular picking keeps them producing. Only 4 calories per pepper and packed with vitamin C, perfect for salsas, pickling, or roasted for milder heat.